This everyday task might seem simple, but it's packed with motor planning, finger coordination, and independence. You will need a capped crayon or marker and some paper. Just one hand is all they will use. Ask your child to remove the cap and shift the marker down into a writing position without passing it to the other hand. This builds tool readiness and teaches your child how to prep and write confidently all by themselves. Start with thick markers and easy caps. You can guide them step by step. First open, then shift. To build a mastery, turn it into a game. Time how fast they can go from cap to writing. Try it with the non-dominant hand too. For kids who find caps tricky, use soft grip crayons, foam wraps, or pens with twist lids. A textured glove can also help. This one-hand cap and shift skill shows up all the time, from coloring to test taking to switching highlighters in class. Just one smooth move from cap to paper can spark real confidence and readiness in your child.